It's been sitting for the duration of, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Probably been a couple more minutes than that. We went and had to get the truck unlocked. Randy locked the keys in it. We did that. I've got the vacuum line hooked back up on the booster, the line going back where it's supposed to. I'm gonna go ahead and close this hood because it's gonna start smoking real bad, so I wanna try to get this, well here, you crank it up and go ahead and back it out a little bit. Don't hit my truck. Almost. Just rev it up a little bit. There you go. Yeah, we're making clouds. Yeah. Take it around the yard. Throttle response was my primary issue. We're still gonna go back and throw some plugs and maybe a couple coil packs in it. Could be the coil pack shorting under load. That's the best it's up and went so far. We developed a check engine light.
Yeah.
That's all right. Once again, when you fill it full of all that crap and it smokes and makes the motor skip and run like that, it's gonna get some codes. It's like most of the smoke is dissipated. Just a little bit. How's the throttle response? Yeah, it might be a little better.
You see that?
Yeah.
Still got some?
Tim's gonna want to keep my little car. He ain't gonna want to give it back. There's just a little bit left. It's pretty much done.
I didn't think that this thing was going to be this fast, just to be completely honest.
Well, like, this is the peppiest I've seen it, so.
I mean, the check engine light, you know, don't really matter as long as it's still running.
I was about to say, with it skipping and all that crap of me pouring that.
I don't think it's skipping anymore.
Sounds pretty smooth.
I don't feel it in the steering.
Yeah, definitely looks pretty healthy. Sounds pretty good. It'll probably continue to smoke for a while. That's alright. Well, we did what we came to do. Hey guys, drop a comment down below. Let us know what you're thinking. Next up on the chopping block for some SeaFoam is going to be the Big Dirty Dodge.
I think that it could take, you know, like a turbo force.
Yeah, okay.
I drove the turbo force.
I did too.
It's like a little bit more fit.
I don't know about that. So far, just... Oh, it feels like it's got a whole lot more pep. It feels a lot peppier. Like I said, we'll go back and do some plugs and stuff in it, but this is already a well, heck yeah. Still burning off some crap. This thing was dirty inside. But we're getting there. So drop a comment down below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one, folks.
So,
thanks for watching.
Here's the thing. They need to comment below to see if this is one of the cars that will replace
Ooh. It's not gonna be, it won't replace her indefinitely or nothing. Ain't no way.
He's never going to get rid of the car.
Starts up nice. I might read the codes and see what that check engine light's for, just for shits and giggles. Bye guys.